Today I'm going to share with you the simple way to replace veneer on your veneer furniture when you've had a small to medium sized chip.
Use a ruler and a sharp utility knife. You want to cut a diagonal angle along the edge of the chip. A diagonal angle is easier to blend in than a straight 90-degree chip itself. Slowly carve away the remaining veneer. Take a piece of sandpaper and carefully sand the substrate. You want a smooth surface for the new piece of veneer which you'll be adding. Now let's create our tape template. Take a piece of painter's tape or masking tape, place it over the chip, smooth out, and using a pencil, create a rub where you can see the line of the veneer. Then take a piece of raw veneer, preferably in the same wood species, line up the wood grain pattern, and place your tape over the area that you believe matches the best. Use a sharp utility knife and cut along the edge that you've created using the pencil rub. You want to slice carefully through the veneer exactly along that line so the two pieces will smoothly match up. Around the rest, you can create a little bit of overhang, which you will take care of later in the process. You should now have a piece of veneer which, when you test it, will fit exactly against the line of the chipped veneer. This is also a great time to color match the piece of new veneer with the veneer where you'll be replacing it. If necessary, you can dye it. Then take your contact cement. You want a little bit, add it to both the back side of the new piece of veneer as well as on the chipped substrate, and wait a few minutes till it's tacky before you go to apply the new piece of veneer. Line it up and ensure you apply pressure. With contact cement, you won't be able to move it once applied. Take your utility knife and carefully trim away any remaining veneer. And then you can sand the edges smooth. You'll also want to sand the joint where the old veneer and the new veneer pieces meet up. You just want to ensure that that joint is smooth and it will make it less noticeable. And as I noticed there was a slight color differentiation still, I went in with a little bit more dye to blend that in. And the final step is the most important, is adding your finish. It will blend it in better. The final result is barely noticeable to the eye. Let me know in the comments what type of veneer repair we should do next.